Today in Excel we are going to talk data analysis, whereby we are going to draw line graphs to represent this data here. We are having data of UCE performance of Excel College from 2010 to 2022. Now here we have the years, we have the number of candidates in this column, we have the number of division 1s, number of division 2s, then number of division series. But it seems when you look at this data, number of division series are minimum, meaning Excel College must be performing excellently well. Now we are going to draw line graphs to represent this data. What shall we do first? We shall first convert this data into a table by controlling T. We say my table has headers. Yes, true, it has headers. Click OK to return this range into a table. We shall see the advantages of turning it into a table later on. Now first we shall go to insert, go to pivot charts. We shall come to pivot chart and pivot table. Then where shall we put the new pivot chart and pivot table? It will be on a new worksheet. The range where we are getting our data is this one, selected right here. That is table 1. Click OK. Now we shall drag the number of division 1s into the values section, then the year into the axis. Then I will come and change the chart type into a line graph. I think I'll go with one of this kind and click OK. I'll come and remove this, hide all these field buttons, come and hide also this. Then I'll come and the chart title, I need the axes. Then I also need the data labels right there. Then the data labels should be specifically, I'll come here to more options. Then the data labels, I want specifically to show they should not show a category, let it show the values. Yes, right. Okay, come down to the axis, come down to this horizontal axis. What do I want it to show? Come to format axis. I want it to show on tick marks. Yes, right. Then the axis, I'll come here and name it. That is a graph showing the number of division 1s. Then the horizontal axis, I'll name it year of sitting. Yes, year of sitting. Then I'll name the vertical axis number of first grades. Sorry, number of first grades. Yes. What else should I format this table? There's a lot we can do with this table. I can go with this option. Then I think let me remove the legend. I don't need it. Yes, this table is done. Then I'll go for the next table, that is division 2s. I'll also come and go to insert, pivot table and pivot charts. I'll put it on a new worksheet. The range remains table 1. Click OK. Then years will be in the axis still. Then division 2s, the number will be in the values section. I'll come and change the chart type to a line graph. Okay, I'll go with this. Click OK. I think I'll enlarge it a little. These field buttons, I'll hide them all. Then I'll go and hide the legend. I need data labels. Yes. Then I need the axis titles. Then the horizontal axis. I think horizontal axis. Go and format the axis with the values at the tick marks, right? Then I think I have to enter the chart title. Chart title is a graph showing the number of division twos. I don't know whether it is twos, it must be. Then the vertical axis is the number. I think I start with the number of division 2. Then the horizontal axis, this is the year of sitting. Let me leave it in capital letters. Year of sitting. Year of sitting. Yes, this graph is also ready for presentation. I think the axes, the axes can turn on, turn off the vertical axis because I already have the values marked here. So this is our second chart ready for presentation, but for now I leave these axes on. I leave these axes on with the vertical ones. Then let me go to the last graph. Last graph, I'm going to start those who got division 3, count pivot chart and tables. Table range is the same. Then put it on a new worksheet, right? Click OK. Then I come and drag the number of division 3s in the values section, then the number, the year in the axis section. Then I come change the chart type to a line graph. I think one of these kinds, okay? Then first I remove the field buttons. Then I need this axis. I need this axis, format axis, to put these at the tick marks. Then after that I will remove, I need data labels, I remove the legend, I don't need it. Then I will need the legend, I don't need it. Then the chart title, I name it a graph showing the number of division 3s. Then after that I think I need the axis titles. Axis titles, this is number, this is number of division 3. Then the horizontal axis, name it year of sitting. Okay, then I think I'll choose to take this. Okay, this is better. Then for the first graph, I think We'll also take something of this kind. Then on the last graph, I think this is also fine. Our data is complete. I think we shall now organize it on one sheet. I'll start with number of division ones. I'll copy this table, copy this graph, then put it on this sheet. Make it large enough. I'm going to copy the second one, then bring it to this sheet also. Bring it to this sheet right here. Yes, can size it so that they almost have the same size. That is for division 2. Then division 3. Division 3 is right here. Copy this and paste it right here. Then bring it closer to this, enlarge it, pull it down a little. Yes, all the graphs are right here: division 1, division 2, and division 3. So these graphs will be automatically updated immediately another year comes in. For instance, we add results of 2023, whereby we had 76 students, then 15 got division 1, then 20 had division 2, then 6 had division 3. This data, because it is in a table, it will automatically get updated this way when we simply go and refresh. Go and refresh all. The second year is added here. Sorry, the current year 2023 is added here with the matching details. So when you add 2024, perhaps maybe in that time we shall be having 100 students. Then 16 get division 1, 30 get division 2, 10 get division 3. After that we go to our graphs, simply say refresh all, and the current year results are added here. This one will save time because you simply come, add the current year, then come and refresh your graphs, and the current results are displayed. This one will save time. Just make one worksheet, then you'll have to use it for years over and over and again. Now, after organizing all these graphs for presentation, you can now present yourself to the boardroom and you explain to your bosses why the curve is not consistently moving up, but rather it is moving up and down irregularly. Now, all this is done, and you can go and print it. Go and print it with the whole of it the way it is right there. Yes, when printing, then you can go and answer questions about the irregularity of the curves, mostly the first one. Thank you for taking time to watch this video, and let's meet in the next video.